Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let me share with you how I made this vegetable soup, okay, with spinach. It tasted so great. Already I've washed the goat meat because I'm using goat meat. I've washed it very well with clean water and salt, and then spice it with nut cube, okay, for seasoning, salt and onion. I also added stockfish, as you can see there, okay. So I will now cover it up to cook. I won't be adding it to water now. I will leave it to cook for 15 minutes so that it will bring out its own stock before I now add water. So after 15 minutes I'll be adding in water now. I'm adding in more water, enough to cook the meat, okay. The goat meat I'm using is a strong one. It's a very strong one, okay. So I'm adding enough water so that the goat meat and the stockfish will cook well. And then cover to start cooking, okay. So I'll be using red bell pepper, 2 big red pepper and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using just 1 Scotch bonnet pepper because already I added the pepper flakes while cooking the goat meat, okay. So I won't be adding more so that my kids will also eat the soup, okay. So here I'm cutting spinach. I'm using spinach, so I'm cutting. It's frozen but I defroze it, so I'm cutting it for the soup, okay. It's too long, that's why I'm cutting it to my desired size. Shout out to all my newest subscribers. I'm glad to have you all here. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to engage with my video. Thank you for the like, comment and share. So much appreciate it, and may God bless you all. Okay, and if this is your first time of coming across my channel on my video, thank you for stopping by to watch today's video. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to know when I post a new video. Also like, comment and share to your family and friends. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. So this is all the spinach here. I've cut all of them. The meat is done. I'll be scooping it out because I'll be frying the oil I want to use for the vegetable, okay. So let me allow you guys to watch the video to the end, okay. Thank you so much. I'll be adding the list of the ingredients I used in the description box, so do well to go there and check it, okay.
Cảm giác lại ha, không vào về chia ha, về chia.